Hair is not long. This is the complaint of many nowadays. Of course, in the midst of so much pollution, stress and malnutrition in modern life, this is normal. If you want to keep your hair beautiful, you need to sleep well, eat nutritious food, live a worry-free life, keep your hair clean and so on. Today we will show you how to make your hair thicker and longer in a natural way. First, take 3 tablespoons coconut oil in a bowl. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. Add 3 tablespoons honey. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Add 3 tablespoons yogurt. The protein found in yogurt helps strengthen the hair shaft, preventing split ends and hair damage. The lactic acid in yogurt helps to hydrate the hair, and when rinsing, it helps to clear away dead skin cells. Yogurt has medical and cosmetic effects on the follicle, scalp, and roots of your hair. Mix well. Now apply this mask on hair scalp to hair length for 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash your hair with shampoo to get best result. Apply this mask 2 times in a week.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.